Good morning, everybody. We are washing and the machine is stuck. This is Bosch washing machine. So it displays error F21. This is a sign your motor has an issue. So most probably it's carbon brushes are worn out and the door is sealed. Nothing can operate anymore because it shuts down the motherboard, so nothing will work for you, as you can see it. Yeah, so what we're gonna do is to switch off the machine. Then we have a small door down here, so do the cleaning. Yeah, you can see down there is this black knob, so you need something sharp like a screwdriver. You plug it in, then pull it down once and you release it, so the door automatically will open, just like that. Okay, so the next episode we're going to show you how to fix carbon brushes at home. Thank you very much.